Welcome back to Unbox Heaven. Today we are diving into something every kitchen deserves, the Instant Pot Lux Mini 6-in-1. Small, sleek and smart. This little guy promises to cook up to 70% faster. Let's see if it lives up to the hype or not. Alright, let's crack this open first. First thing, the packaging is super clean. Feels premium, not bulky at all. And I'm just gonna open this up and let's see what we got inside. So first we have got the user manual, a recipe booklet, nice touch for the beginners. And if you wanna have a look at this before opening this and explore all the options, you're welcome to open this. I also did the same thing. And next up, what we gonna get? Of course, the power cord itself. And also here is the star. I'm gonna take the Lux Mini Instant Pot itself out. Before that, we have got this amazing small spatulas or spoons. So it came into very nice packing, secure and safe. Okay, so look at that brushed stainless steel finish. Feels solid, classy, perfect size for small kitchens, dorm or anyone who cooks for 1 to 2 people. There is a plastic lid on top of it that seals everything very nicely, and inside the contents cook very perfectly. So here how it looks like. There's some options like close, steam, and also there is one more option. So there are some more instructions on the lid, and here we have the rubber. You can have the look at this. Very nice, clean and stylish. Okay, let's have a look what else we have got inside it. So here is one more warning paper or something like that. So please read everything before you use this product. And we also get a 3-pin stainless steel inner pot, and it also wrapped very nicely. This is the rack you can use for like steaming and stuff like that. And that's the stainless steel cooking pot. You can cook your stuff inside this pot. It has no chemical coating, completely safe and easy to clean. But please make sure whenever you use this product, always make sure it's fitted properly before pressure cooking, and never ever open the lid while it's pressurized, and wait for the pin to drop, and always make sure the vent is set to ceiling while cooking. Okay, so I just plugged this on. So the pro tip, always do a water test before your first real cook. So I'm just pouring water in it. I'm just pouring like half of the quantity. There you go, and just putting inside it. Nice and simple. I just learned somewhere that water test before your first real cook. It helps you to learn how it seals and releases steam safely. So just put the lid on. Just follow the close one and just make some sounds. And now we're gonna put the option, let's say pressure cook. We're not gonna cook it for very long time because it's just water, for just 5 minutes, and start. So it's just saying on. It also made like signature Instant Pot sound, quick, powerful and safe. So our water test was very successful and it did the great job. In terms of performance, this mini pot punches way above its size. It's fast, consistent and the food stays flavorful. Ideal for oatmeals like porridge and rice, and or even chicken for small quantity, for small recipes. So here are my quick verdict. The Instant Pot Lux Mini is perfect if you want without taking over your counter. It looks nice and it looks stylish and seriously saves time while cooking. So in terms of like 6 functions in one device, that's a good thing. Stainless steel inner pot, no coating, super quick and quiet, compact and travel friendly. But the thing I didn't like about this is like it's very small capacity, not for big families. No yogurt option like other bigger models, and if you are tight on space but big on flavor, this one is a win. So that's it for today for unboxing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below with what should I unbox next. This is Unbox Heaven. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.